Hello class 6, I hope you all are good. Students, as you all know, your exams are commencing from 26th July. Okay, so you have to study. Now start doing study. Students, till 10 assignment, home assignment, you will get, okay, 10 assignments, 20 marks. These are separate marks which you will be given, okay, and 40 marks will be of your exam, 20 for your assignments and 40 for your exams. And exams, it will be held offline, okay. You have to give your offline exam. Annual exam, what you did, you took answer sheet at home, then after you will get question paper in your WhatsApp group. There only you will get your question paper. Then after the time which we have given to you, it will be 1 hour exam, okay. Then after taking photo of your answer sheet, you have to send it in WhatsApp number of school, okay, separately, but not in group, separately you have to send, okay. After giving exam, 1 hour you will get to give your exam. Then after taking photos of your answer sheet, you have to send it in WhatsApp number of school separately. Then after you have to submit your sheet in the school, okay. Students, syllabus, your syllabus will be till assignment 10. Let's continue the chapter number 3, water bodies. Students, and water bodies, in last video we studied oceans of the world, okay. How many oceans are there? 5, okay. If we count from larger ocean to smaller, then the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, then after Indian Ocean, okay, Indian Ocean, then Southern Ocean, and the smallest is Arctic Ocean, okay. These 5 are the oceans of the world, okay. 5 oceans we have. And in question, this question was there in your assignment. You have to write from ascending order, okay. First you will write Arctic, then Southern, Indian, then after Indian, Atlantic, and the Pacific, the largest one, okay. Smaller to bigger, okay. Then after oceans we have 5 oceans, and then continents, we have 7 continents. We have 7 continents. The largest one is Asia. We have 7 continents and 5 oceans. 7 continents, the largest one is Asia, okay. India is located in Asia. Number 2 is Africa. Number 3 is North America. From largest to smallest, okay. Number 4 is South America. Okay, South America, Antarctica, okay, Antarctica, Europe, and number 7 is Australia. Number 7 is Australia. The largest is Asia and the smallest is Australia. Australia is a continent country and an island. It is surrounded, Australia is surrounded all sides by water. That's why Australia is an island, continent and a country. Okay. These are continents. Okay. These are continents and oceans. Here we have written greater to smaller. Okay. Larger to smaller. We have written larger to smaller. Here also we will write larger to smaller. The largest ocean, Pacific. Okay. And then after this, Pacific, Atlantic. Atlantic Ocean. Then after, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Then Indian Ocean. Then Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. Okay. Southern Ocean. And the last and the fifth one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Okay. The area which they cover, they are expressed in million square kilometer. Okay. Pacific Ocean, 162 million square kilometer. Atlantic Ocean, 106 million square kilometer. Atlantic Ocean, 106 million square kilometer. Indian Ocean, 70 million square kilometer. Southern Ocean, 20.3 million square kilometer. This is the area which Southern Ocean cover, 20.3 million square kilometer. Now Arctic Ocean it covers 14 million square kilometer. Okay, that's why this is the smallest one and this is the largest. Okay, now we will understand about seas. Okay, what are seas? Now what is sea? Okay, the water masses smaller than the ocean, the water masses smaller than the oceans are called the seas, smaller than oceans. A sea is usually a part of some ocean. A sea is usually a part of a ocean. It is connected with an ocean. Every sea is connected with some ocean. In fact, the part of the ocean that touches, okay, in fact, that part of the ocean which touches the land is called the sea. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, they are the part of Indian Ocean. Okay, these two seas are the part of Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. The depth of the sea water is much less than that of the ocean. Depth is lesser. While there are just 5 oceans in the world, but there are a large number of seas. Only we have 5 oceans in the world, but a number of seas we have. However, the size of sea greatly varies. The size of the seas varies, different from each other. A sea may be classified as a marginal sea or an inland sea. Okay, what is marginal and what is inland? Marginal seas marginal seas The sea which is partly enclosed by land. Partly enclosed by land is called the marginal sea. It's called the marginal sea, which is partly enclosed, not completely. Okay. Example, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, partly enclosed by land. Inland sea, the sea which is completely enclosed by land, enclosed by land is called the inland sea. Example, Hudson Bay, South China Sea, etc. You can say about inland sea, they are shallow sea. Okay, they are not deep, they are shallow sea which covers central area of the continent. Okay, they are called inland sea. The study of seas is called oceanography. Okay, the study of seas is called oceanography. Now, importance of seas. Importance of seas. The sea moderates the climate of the coastal areas. Moderates, neither too hot nor too cold. Moderates the climate. It moderates the climate of the coastal areas. Now, number 2, sea is a major supplier of seafood. Yes, sea is a major supplier of seafood. Number 3, the seas are an essential aspect of trade. Seas are an essential aspect of trade, travel, mineral extraction. From seas we get mineral, okay, like Bombay High. From there only we get petroleum, okay, mineral oil. Mineral extraction and power generation. For power generation also we need through tidal energy. Okay, through tidal energy we get energy. We get electricity. So seas, they are essential aspect of trade, travel, mineral extraction and power generation. Number 4, seas have been bringing about the turbulence. Turbulence means violence. Turbulence, violence, a state of conflict or confusion in the coastal area of the earth through tsunamis, hurricanes and cyclone. Okay, they have been bringing about the turbulence through tsunamis, hurricanes and cyclone. Now, major seas of the world. Major seas of the world, also this is given in book. Here you can see page number 31. Okay, major seas of the world. These are important seas of the world. Okay, important seas of the world. First one, Bering Sea. Bering Sea is a marginal sea. Bering is a marginal sea. Okay, Bering is marginal, Caribbean is marginal, North Sea is a marginal sea. It means partly enclosed by the land. That's why they are marginal sea. This one and this one. These 3 are marginal seas. And North Black Sea, this is inland sea. Inland sea, okay, it means completely enclosed by land. Black Sea, Caspian Sea and Aral Sea, completely enclosed by land. These 3 seas. Arabian Sea, marginal sea. Marginal sea, Red Sea, marginal sea and Dead Sea, inland sea. Okay, these are important seas of the world and type of seas they are. Okay, you have to analyze, you have to study this. Okay, now what Now what we have to just revise: Strait, bay and gulf. You have to understand what are they. Bay. Bay is a part of the sea. Bay is a part of sea which is partially enclosed by land. Okay. Bay is a part of the sea. Water body. Bay is a water body, part of sea, which is partially enclosed by land, which is partially enclosed by land. This is look like this. Okay. This is water. And this is only called what? Bay. This water body. And this is land. Okay. Bay is a part of the sea, which is partially enclosed by the land. Bay of Bengal. Okay. Hudson Bay. They are examples of bay. Second one, Gulf. A large bay is referred to as Gulf. Large bay. Okay. Generally, large bay is called Gulf. It is an inlet of sea. It is an inlet of sea. I need to tell here. Okay. Bigger than bay. Okay. And this is what? Water. This part is called Gulf. Okay. It is an inlet of sea deep into the land. Deep into the land. This is land. Here is land. Deep into the land, and the mouth is narrow. This is called what? Gulf. Okay. Now next one is strait. Strait is a narrow stretch of water which joins two larger water bodies. Okay. A strait is a narrow stretch of water which joins two larger water bodies and separates two land masses. Like land. This is land. Okay. Here is also land. Here is water. Large water body. Large water bodies. This is called strait. This is called what? Strait. Okay. Large land masses, it separate. Which separate? Strait separates and joins two water bodies Hope you all have understood this. Now let's differentiate between oceans and seas. Okay. Differentiate between oceans and seas. The oceans are much larger. The seas are comparatively smaller than oceans. Oceans are major units of the earth's surface. Seas are minor units. Oceans are major units of the earth's surface, while seas are minor units. Number third, the oceans have much greater depth. Okay. Oceans have much greater depth, while the seas are comparatively shallow. Yes, students, I request you all, after watching this video, please read the topics which I have covered today. Then you will get answers of each question. Okay. You will find your answers easily. For that, what you have to do, you have to read the chapter, read the topics. That's all for the day. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.